Oh, look at the goats are out there. And hey, is this pontoon rental something new?
I'm not sure. Looks new.
Hey, y'all. Hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here in beautiful Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. And it's been a while since we've been down here, so we're going to take you on a walk. Let's go check it out.
Look at the jet skis.
Oh, look, they're pulling out the banana thing.
Banana boat?
Now, it's been a while since we've been down here, and we have enjoyed the tiki, the royal tiki that we went out the other day. That was so much fun.
Right, so we're gonna get a look at this tiki up here, hopefully.
That's right.
Right now, we're in front of Creek Rats. They got a nice pizza salad that we like to eat there.
Oh, yes, delicious. That's our favorite. And then we also love the Dead Dog Saloon.
Yeah, they got cool bands. Also, last year they put in this Bahama Mama little outside tiki bar here.
Yes, which was perfect access for easy drinking whenever you come to the Witch's Walk and the Santa Crawl.
And if you're unfamiliar with the Witch's Walk, it goes all the way down the entire Marsh Walk, from one end to the other.
And don't forget about the beautiful Christmas lights that they had last year. That was fun as well.
That's
where
right.
They had it all decked out.
That's right. And they must open this bar here during certain parts of the day or the year. Look at that.
They got the 75 days of summer going on.
Let's see.
Let's see. Let's go get something.
We'll go into the Dead Dog and get us a drink. How about that?
All right.
And so this is who's supporting it. Wicked Tuna, Creek Rats, Drunken Jacks, Neptune, Wahoo's Fish House, Dead Dog Saloon, The Claw House, and Bovines.
Oh.
That's the 75 days of summer.
Let's go check it out.
Cool down on the marsh with one of these for $8.
Let's do it. While we're waiting for them to make a drink, I'm going to show you a little bit that's going on out here. Don't forget, if you do come down to the Marsh Walk, to make sure you load up with that sunscreen, because it is very hot. And they're packed, so it might be a little wait. And out there in the distance, you can see the pot-eyed parrot, which once we get down there to the tiki huts, we'll show you that. That's very fun if you want to take sunset cruise, but that is fun. So I went on with the Marsh Walk. I think she called it the Marsh Walk Punch. And like I said, they're packed. And football season's about to kick off. All the bars around here do have televisions, big screens, all that good stuff. Oh, there you go. So Beach Box even decided to get one too. Let's check it out. All right, so here it is, 75 days of summer, and I decided to go with the Marsh Walk Punch. Now this drink is very, very fruity and sweet, and it is delicious. Look at that. Cheers to a hot summer. Well, one thing we noticed new here at the Dead Dog Saloon is they've covered this outdoor porch that they used to have. That's cool.
And now there's a lot more shade. While you're looking over the marsh.
So remember how I was telling you earlier in the Gulfstream Cafe, how we were over there, that you could see the Marsh Walk from here. If you look in the distance, let me try to zoom in. There is the alien house, as Beatbox calls it. Space shuttle house. It's right across, and then right across from that is the Gulfstream Cafe. That's awesome, isn't it? And look at that one building. It looks like crooked. It looks like it's going down. Do you see that? So if you happen to come down here during the Witch's Walk, this is where we normally like to, after we've done our walk around, This is where we normally like to sit. If we can get here early enough to save a seat, come hang out with us. And it goes to a good benefit as well. So this was installed in March, and it's called a louver ceiling. And they got great fans out there to keep you cool. One time we sat out there and it was extremely hot. We were sweating and the guys just couldn't enjoy their meal. But now they have the fans, the lights, and they can control the sunlight, the wind, the rain. It's just awesome. Y'all better come check it out, especially in the mornings for their breakfast. It's a good place to have mimosas. So as we're leaving the Dead Dog, we're going to take you down the sidewalk right here through the beer garden. And if you ever come here, I don't know if you like ciders, but they have a delicious strawberry cider. Looking for something to do with the kids? Reserve now and be a pirate. Arr.
Arr. So you can do the pot-eyed for the adults and the pirate for the kids.
And a parrot for her?
Now, are these new?
I'm not sure.
I don't know if I've seen those. The sea carts.
It's the Sea Cart Adventure right here if you want to. Murrells Inlet.
Sea
Book
Cart
now.
Adventure, Murrells Inlet.
From 9 to 4, you can rent these. And they even have security that will lead you out. You get escorted out to the ocean. There they are down there. They'll wave. Hey. Oh, you got to check it out. They'll escort you out there to the beautiful ocean, and it runs almost to Garden City. So check it out. This is something new and fun. But he said you better get here early because it gets a little crazy after 9 o'clock. The guys were really nice at the Sea Cart Adventure. He said, call today. You'll talk to his wife and you'll be out there in the sea tomorrow. He said, see you at the cart. Okay, well, this isn't new, but I can't find the people. You do have to paddle yourself out there, and all my friends are lazy, so no one will do it. But this is fun to do, and you paddle the boat where you want to go, but they also offer a captain, and bring your own beer, 1 hour cruises, all ages welcome. There you go.
On the brew boat, the Inlet brew boat. She said her friends wouldn't help her. You know I'd help her. I don't know what she's talking about. We've made it past the Dead Dog.
And there's the Pied-Eyed Parrot that I was telling you that's fun to go out. They have evening and night cruises out.
Right, and around Christmas time, they'll have Cruising with Santa.
Yep.
But I think it's kind of an adult Cruising with Santa.
It is, it's happy hour. And they also have Christmas in July. They have the Witches Walk that they go out on and just different events. It is a cool, fun event.
So that's the Pied-Eyed Parrot. Check them out. We've been out there, 3 or 4 times.
That's
and
right.
It takes you out into the marsh out here, all the way to like the jetties and back. It's about a 1 or 2 hour cruise for $25 or $35.
And you can drink and you can order pre-appetizers before you go out.
Right.
They have like nachos and cheese sticks.
And right beside us here is the Claw House. We've done a video on that.
It was good. They have delicious clam chowder. I can't even talk today. They have delicious clam chowder. And they also have, what was that?
Oh, oyster Rockefeller?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That's
Those
what
were delicious.
Did I get that?
Yep.
So right across the way here is the Wicked Tuna. We're going to make our way around near the new Neptune, which used to be Mojo's. And we're going to get close to the Tiki Bar, Tiki Boat here. And there's 2 of them actually. One's right here by the Tuna Shack, and one's on this side of the Tuna Shack. We'll pick it up there. There we go.
Alrighty, so here we are at the Tiki Huts, and I think these take out about 6 people is the limit. They may have larger ones, but we're about to find out. All right, so we just got you a bunch of information on Cruising with the Tiki. So you can get the little Tiki Huts, and it's $6 a person. You can get 2 of them, and it's $60 or $80. You'll have to check online. Let's see if I can pull this in to see the pricing.
Go.
Make sure you call a day before.
At least a day before.
At least 24 hours in advance to make sure the captain's not booked already.
And make sure the captain's what?
Not booked, you know.
Okay.
She says make sure he's available.
And that's at the Crazy Sister Marina right here in Murrells Inlet.
And they supply ice.
And you bring your own drinks.
Yep. So let's just go see who all wants to go. You can have your own music like we did on the Royal Tiki's and everything. So let's go. Well, there you have it. That was a quick look at Murrells Inlet that we hadn't been down here in a little while because it is hot as Hades down here in South Carolina. So if you see a shade, run in it. Until next time, keep beaching.
And if you like what you saw, make sure you like this video. If you want to see more of what's happening at the beach, make sure you subscribe to our channel. And if you click that bell notification, it will let you know when we post new videos because we post them weekly.
It also helps out with the channel. As always, keep beaching.
Which they do, you know, have somebody come back over here.